Vaccines. Pros and Cons of Vaccines by KayScience.com. As you can see, vaccines work. The polio vaccine was introduced to the United States in 1955. And between 1955 and the mid-1960s, polio was eradicated in the United States of America. Smallpox was eradicated due to a worldwide vaccination effort. As you can see here, smallpox was eradicated by 1980. So vaccines play a big part in eradicating disease worldwide. Vaccines prevent the spread of disease within a population of people. None of this population have been vaccinated. This red person represents someone who has a highly contagious, communicable disease. And if they become a close contact of someone, there is a chance of transmitting the pathogen from them to the other person. And because no one's vaccinated, they can spread the disease to other people who they are close contacts with. And these people will spread the disease to other people who they're close contacts with. And this continues as people are spreading the disease from one person to another. So as you can see, because no one is vaccinated, the disease has gone through the entire population and made a lot of people ill. Let's see what happens if a population has herd immunity due to vaccination. All the people in green have been vaccinated. The people in black have not. So the person in red has the disease and transmits the disease to another person. This person then transmits the disease to only someone who has not been vaccinated. And as you can see here, this slows the spread of the disease, spreading the disease to fewer people. And now it's got to this final person here. They can't spread the disease to any of their close contacts because all of their close contacts have been vaccinated, preventing the spread of disease through a population due to herd immunity by vaccination. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. There are some negatives, but these negatives do not outweigh the positives of vaccinations. Not all vaccines are 100% effective. These are the new COVID vaccines, with the Moderna, the Pfizer, and the Sputnik 5 vaccines being above 90% effective, and with the AstraZeneca vaccine being 70% effective. However, this will prevent deaths and transmission of the disease within a population. Because a vaccine contains substances that aren't made by your body could detect them as foreign. This could then lead to fever, a small headache, and it can also hurt in your arm because a needle's been stuck in your arm. However, none of these symptoms are worse than getting the disease you're being vaccinated for. It is very important to get vaccinated, even though there could be mild side effects due to the vaccine. It's vital to get vaccinated, especially for something like measles, because 1 in 15 people who get measles can get severe complications and get really ill. 1 in 500 people sadly die from the disease called measles. And only 1 in 1 million people will have a severe problem with a vaccine. So it's way safer to get vaccinated than it is to get the disease. Get vaccinated. And don't believe anti-vaxxer conspiracy theories. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes.